Hello and welcome again to another video. So this video is regarding the Vicidial. So over here I have installed a Vicidial on my virtual box. As you can see, I'm running the virtual box. Okay, and the Vicidial version is 10.0.2. So the problem is I have forgotten the password of the admin. Okay, I am not aware what is the password and it's not letting me inside of the password because it's been a time. So I thought, why don't I create a video on this? Maybe you guys also face the same issue. So if you forgot the 666 password or the default administration password, we can reset it from the root. Okay, like make sure you have the root privileges. As you can see over here that I have already logged in inside of the root. Okay, so I can reset it from there. But suppose if you forgot the root password also, we can also reset that root password of the Vicidial. I'm going to create a separate video for that, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that on the by default administration login password for the GUI. So as I shown you, if I type the by default user, okay, it's not working. And to be very honest, I'm not aware what is the by default user also. Maybe I made some changes, but I'm not able to recall right now. So I have to reset the password. So I'm going to show you what is the procedure to do that. I have to log in on the root. Okay, so I'm going to use the CMD to log in on the root. Then I'm going to type SSH root @ and I have to check what is my server IP. My server IP should be 1.5. Okay, and you can also see it over here, 1.5 obviously. So 1.5, and then hit enter. Now it will ask you for the root password and then hit enter again. Okay, done. Once we are inside of the root, as you can see, if I type who am I, it's going to say that root. Okay, so once you are inside of the root, then we are going to type MySQL, then hit enter, and we are inside of the MySQL DB. As you can see, it's saying that MariaDB. Okay, now we have to select the database where the passwords are stored. So Vicidial use the asterisk database by default to store all the details. So I'm going to select that. To do that, I'm going to type use asterisk database and then hit enter, and it's saying that database changed. So we have to type select user, then pass from users and hit enter. Once you do that, it will show you all the user and the password. So the by default user, I think I have renamed that user. I just remember now that I renamed that user to create a video how to rename the 666. If you go to the Innovate IT Lab channel, then if you go to the videos, yeah, as you can see, I created this video, actually this one, to show that how to rename the default Vicidial 666 user. I think I did that and I forgot that, so maybe because of that. And now we have the user and the password. So password is this one and this is the user. So let's try this one. So I'm going to type on the user and hit enter. Okay, so we are inside of the Vicidial now, and this is the by default 666 user that I have renamed, and the level is 9. So this is how you can reset the Vicidial password if you are not remember, or you can check it how to find that password. So if you find this video any helpful, then please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.